right, here we've got a 700, model 700 Easy Trail side auger grain cart. It's got the small 1000 PTO. It does have a good gearbox on it. That gearbox was just replaced recently, but the hoses are bad. This thing set a little bit. Well, I'd say recently, probably in the last couple of years, that thing's been replaced. But these are split. It needs all new lines put on it. We tried to unfold the auger and it wouldn't unfold because these lines split. So guys, you're gonna buy it to need new hydraulic plumbing, okay? It's a very straight cart. It's weathered a little bit. As far as the flighting, I think it's flighting's got decent thickness to it, it looks like. Can't really tell the upper auger, but I think it's comparable. It's got the diamond tread tires on it, and it is going to sell absolute on Tractor House auction. But I was going to try to unfold all that stuff, and we just don't have time to do lines and things like that. So we're going to go ahead and sell it the way it is. Tires look like they got really good tread on them. I don't think it's broke up or welded up or anything like that. I just think it's set out. And it was a trade-in on a bigger cart. But you are going to buy it absolute on Tractor House auction. Matter of fact, when it came in, something happened to the shaft. I don't know. So this is brand new, the end of this shaft. I just put that on there. That was not cheap. There's an extra housing there with a bearing in it. I left that because I'm not sure exactly why it's on there, if that's a spare or what. But like I say, the gearbox turned on and ran. We just couldn't unfold it because the hoses are so bad. So